Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Red Hills Road. Now Red Hills Road takes you from Constance or Eastwood Park Road back towards the Red Hills area where you can access Perkins Boulevard. So basically it's one of the main roads in Kingston. You can take Red Hills Road intersects Eastwood Park Road, it intersects Washington Boulevard, so it's one of the major thoroughfares through Jamaica, through the city of Kingston. So on the right is Alaska Financial Services. You have a lot of residential communities off Red Hills Road, but you also have a lot of business places. The most popular is probably Red Hills Mall and Price Mart. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and there's a little traffic on the road, but it's moving. So Red Hills Road runs straight ahead. That hill you're looking at, that's Red Hills. So Red Hills Road runs from where we are, and we just went on to Red Hills Road from Eastwood Park Road, and it goes all the way up into the hills. So we're going to take a tour. I'm not sure what the name of this gully is. If anybody knows the name, you can let us know. Leave a comment in the description section below. As you can see, you have a few shops and bars, those kind of things on the left. Looks more like, and then on the right you have a plaza. And then at this intersection here, you turn left, you go down to Walton Park Road. Turn left, that's the Cashew Park area. And they actually, I wonder if that's the Cashew Park Gully, because they recently built a bridge over the gully when you turn left here, that when you're going towards Walton Park Road. So maybe it's the same gully that we just passed where I asked the name. The road used to run through the gully, like most of the roads in Jamaica, but it's such a busy road, and there was, whenever it rains heavily, you can't go through the gully, so it was creating a traffic nightmare. So they decided to raise the road and build a bridge that goes over the gully, so you don't have that problem anymore. So straight ahead now, that overhead bridge, that's Washington Boulevard. So turn left here, you take Washington Boulevard down to Malines Road and eventually out of the city of Kingston via Mandela Highway. Turn right here, you take Washington Boulevard up to Dunrobin Avenue and then Constant Spring Road. So on the left here now is a Calabar High School. Oh, sorry, this is Calabar Muse. Beside it is the entrance to Calabar High School. Very prominent school in Jamaica. Very popular school. So on the right now, on the left is Calabar Muse, which is a residential community. On the right is residential homes. And then here now is the entrance to the Calabar High School. On the right is a new plaza that just opened. Going to take a tour through it soon. Okay, so straight ahead now is the Lee's Food Fair. It's a supermarket. On the left now you have the Burger King and Royal Court restaurant. If you turn left, that road takes you back to Washington Boulevard. Turn right, that road takes you back to Lindsay Crescent or West Avenue. On the right now is a hardware store. Lloyd's Hardware. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.